Welcome to Wolf Cadillac. Today we'll be looking at this 2020 Chevrolet Traverse Premier. This vehicle comes in a mosaic black metallic exterior color, 3M protection on the hood, front bumper, side mirrors, and handle grips. It's a 4-door sport utility, seats 7 in a jet black interior color, carrying a 3.6 liter V6 engine with a 9-speed automatic transmission and an all-wheel drivetrain. Going into the front of the vehicle now, you have your blind spot indicator on your side mirror, 2 memory seat options, power side mirror and power windows, rear trunk access with a couple storage spaces. Vehicle comes with the Bose sound system. Door panels made up of a jet black leather. Both front seats are powered in a perforated jet black leather with lumbar support, headrest adjustment. Black leather wrapped steering wheel. You have your collision detection, cruise control, heated steering, as well as your volume and voice recognition on the right. Volume controls are behind the steering wheel. This vehicle is a push to start, foot down on the brake. Analog front dash with a digital speedometer. Touchscreen infotainment system. This vehicle comes with a backup camera, couple view options with 360-degree bird's eye view, works with your rear sensors. You also have your video fed rear view mirror. With the push of this button that controls your hidden compartment. AM FM radio with Sirius XM capabilities and Bluetooth. This vehicle comes with navigation, touchscreen climate control while the vehicle is running, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with your rear climate control. You can pair your vehicle up with the My Chevrolet app. You can pair your Spotify and Amazon Alexa as well. Manual climate control with your heated and ventilated front seats. USB ports as well as auxiliary and power banks. Wireless phone charging up the front. Black leather wrapped gear shifter with 2 cup holders. You have your drivetrain with your 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, off-road, as well as your trailer. Park brake with lane keeping assist and traction control. Black leather wrapped center console. You have your first compartment here with a removable top. Lighted compartment as well. Universal garage opener with overhead lighting and sunroof controls. Sun visor with illuminated vanity mirror for the driver's side as well as the passenger side. Handle grip on the passenger side of the vehicle. Sunroof for the front seats with your manual shade covering. Going around the left-hand side of the vehicle now. We'll start off with the 20-inch black Chevrolet rims on all-season tires. Color match side mirror with an integrated turn signal and a side view camera. Chrome keyless entry handle grips. You have your gas tank, chrome badging along the vehicle. Dual exhaust with rear parking sensors. Backup camera and a rear wiper blade. Powered trunk. Carpeted rear trunk space. Storage compartment up the front. 60-40 split third row seats. We can fold them down, gives you a little more storage space. You have your power button up at the top left. Going into the rear, you have your jet black leather door panel. A couple storage spaces and speaker down at the bottom. Rear seats are in the mini perforated jet black leather. They're in the captain's chair setup with armrests. Leather magazine holders at the rear of both front seats. Heated rear seat controls with power banks, USB, and rear climate control. Storage space down at the bottom. Overhead lighting and handle grips with access to your separate sunroof with your manual shade covering. This vehicle is also fitted with a full set of all-weather rubber liners. Finishing up with the right-hand side of the vehicle, you have your shark fin antenna at the rear, roof rails, chrome trim around the windows and along the bottom of the door panels. This vehicle comes with command start. You have your LED headlights and fog lights, black grille with the monochrome bow tie, front camera as well. If there's anything else you'd like to know about the vehicle, check us out on our website at wolfcadillac.com or visit us at our dealership in Edmonton, Alberta over on Stony Plain Road. As always, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.